Okay, pause. 100 miles per hour already. That's reckless driving territory in most states. Legally, this can jump from just a traffic violation straight into criminal charges. What would you do if you saw this fly past your car?
Bristol Road, traffic is light, speeds are 100.
Notice how the officer immediately identifies details: motorcycle, rider, helmet. In court, this specificity matters because defense lawyers love to argue mistaken identity.
Copy, speeds of 100 through Bristol.
It's a black motorcycle, looks like a white guy.
Copy, black male, occupant, black helmet, speeds of 100 approaching Hemphill. Can someone... Thank you.
Alright, through Hemphill, blew the light there. And we're stopping here. Westbound.
This escalation is textbook police procedure: verbal commands shouted repeatedly to establish control. But let's be real. In the chaos, how many of you would freeze versus comply instantly?
We're both done. You better stop right now!
And there it is, the crash aftermath. The chase ends, but the legal consequences just beginning. Reckless driving, possible evasion, maybe even resisting arrest. Drop your guesses in the comments. What charges do you think will stick?
Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Right now! Get on the ground! Get your hands up, fucker! Get him out now! Do not move, you understand me?
Yeah, I got a broken collar.
I don't give a shut your mouth. The matter with you? Driving like a